at number 25 together. First, it says, which of the following is not defined? The fact that it's not defined in a function that has a fraction, that means the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So 3 minus y cannot be equal to 0. When I add y to both sides, then y cannot be equal to 3. So in this case, my input value cannot be equal to 3. So which one is it? Choice B becomes the answer. All right. Sorry, guys. Let's look at the next question. So here we have 2 to the negative 2 power becomes 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared all over 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Now, if you had to rewrite this one, I get 1 over 4. Yeah, it was my dog. 1 over 9 or 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Then how are you going to simplify this one? You're going to multiply top and bottom by the common denominator, which is 36. So let's do that here. 36, 36. Then 1/4 of 36 becomes 9. 1/9 of 36 becomes 4 over 18 here plus 12. Then I get 13 over 30. So 13 over 30 becomes my final answer, which is choice A. All right, let's look at number 27. They want us to find one factor out. Wait a minute, 4, can I factor 4 out? Yes, you can. Then x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then which number can multiply to 1 but add up to negative 2? That's right. This can be rewritten as x minus 1, x minus 1. Then obviously x minus 1 is one of my factor here. Alrighty, let's move on to the next problem, number 28. What is the area? So in this case, you see this triangle? Yes, you do. Then you can assume that this is your base. And this can be your height. So you can look at it sideway a little bit. So from 3 to 6, what's your base? Base is 3. What's your height here? That's the x value, which is 4. Then 1/2 base times height, which is half of 12, which is equal to 6. Choice B becomes the answer. All right, let's look at number 29. The slope of the line. Given that the coefficient of y equals 1, the number in front of x becomes your slope, which is negative 7. So E becomes the answer. All right, let's look at number 30. The function f of x is graphed over the interval from negative 2 to 8. Okay, as you can see over here. Now, largest value of the function is 8. When they say largest value of the function, we're talking about the y value. What's the highest y value? Oh, 3. So that's not it. Maximum value of f of x is 1/2. No, it was 3. So that's not it. Solution when they're equal to 0. So the fact that y is equal to 0, that means we're looking at this value. That's when x equals 4, not 2. Oh, we talked about it just now. Y equal to 0, x-intercept right over here. That means when x equals 4. Therefore, choice D becomes your answer. Alrighty. Number 30, 31. 9 square yard is, what is that? So, 9 square yard can be same thing as 3 yard times 3 yard. But what is 3 yard in terms of feet? That's right. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So 3 yard is same thing as 9 feet. I'm multiplying that by 3, you see. Then this is the same thing as 9 feet. All right, so then 9 feet times 9 feet, what is that equal to? That's 81 square feet. Therefore, choice D becomes the answer. All right, let's look at number 32. This is similar to before. I can factor 3 out. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Then which two numbers add up to 1, but, multiply to 1, but add up to 2? It's 1. So we get 3x plus 1 times x plus 1, which is equal to choice B. That's one of the factor. All right, let's look at number 33. What fraction of the rectangle area is the shaded? So then, what is the entire area? It'd be 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. What is the area of the triangle? That would be 3 times 4, but we have to multiply by 1/2. What is that equal to, guys? Oh, that's equal to 6. So 6 over 18 has been shaded, which is equal to, when you divide by 6, we get 1/3, which is choice C becomes the answer. Alrighty. Let's look at number 34. They want us to solve for x. Then I'm going to subtract x. So ax minus x, but I'm going to add 3. So 3 plus d. In order for you to find what x is by itself, I'm going to factor x out. Then I have x, and then a minus 1 equals 3 plus d. To have x by itself, I'm going to divide by a minus 1. So 3 plus d over a minus 1, which is equal to, choice A becomes the answer. All right, let's look at number 35. The amount of bacteria doubles every day. If there are 320 bacteria on day 6, when will there be this many? So let's look at it. So this is day, this is number. So day 6 we have 320. And it doubles every day, so then day 7 it becomes double. 640. Day 8 doubles 1280. Day 9 doubles 2560. Day 10, 5120. So it would be day 10, which is choice B. Not bad. All right, with that one, I'm going to close up. I'll see you later.